In this video we're going to look at how to prune a tomato plant for best results and avoid disease. Hi, I'm Rob from Sustainable Journey, where we share tips to growing a vegetable garden to make it simple and easy. Plus, I'll provide you with a list of easy to follow instructions that guarantee results. I will also throw in a bonus tip or two at the end that will help you step up to the next level. This is a typical site in a garden. Overgrown tomato bushes. These ones are starting to fruit and need a good prune. These ones look pretty healthy and have probably avoided disease because they are growing upright, get plenty of sunlight, and are in a raised garden bed that gets plenty of airflow and has good drainage. Yes, tomatoes will happily grow along the ground if left to their own devices. However, the leaf and fruit that is in contact with the ground is much more likely to be damp and get diseased. So it's best to encourage them to grow upwards and get plenty of airflow around their leaves and fruit. Growing tomatoes vertically will also save you a lot of valuable planting space in the garden. So what we're trying to achieve with pruning is remove any dying or diseased parts of the plant. Remove any suckers or leaves touching the ground. Thin out the unproductive inner leaves. It's important to remove the disease or yellowing leaves and suckers to avoid worsening of the condition. The leaves and suckers touching the ground are an issue as they will reduce airflow around the plant and stem. The leaves touching the ground may also start to yellow and die like some of these. Thinning out an unproductive inner leaves and suckers will allow more airflow and stop the wasted nutrients going into the unproductive leaves and have more to spare for the tomatoes that are growing. The parts of the plant with the flowers are where the tomatoes will grow, so don't cut them off unless the plant is struggling and can't support any new fruit. A downside of cutting off these extra suckers or stems is the plant has less opportunity to grow more tomatoes on that part of the plant. The upside is the existing tomatoes will have more nutrients fed to them and will be bigger. Pro tip, make sure you clean your pruning shears, as this will prevent spreading disease to other parts of the plant. So if you're like me and go for the dodgy parts first, make sure you give them a clean before thinning out the rest. If you haven't already seen it, check out our How to Grow videos for top tips on how to grow all types of vegetable in your yard. Please give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Subscribe and share with friends if you want to see more related content. I hope this helps.